17. Here's Milton inside the 10 and Milton right into the end zone. Edwards, this is getting too easy for the Georgia running game for Georgia this season. McConkey. And he's going to weave his way into open space. Look at this from Lad McConkey. Split out 2 by 2 as Edwards. They come back with Smith, and Smith is sprint right for Beck. To the end zone he goes, and he's able to find Luck. Edwards. Edwards.
He's just working the DB, holding, then he releases.
Automatic 1 through 4 and an automatic win as Muschamp goes ahead. Hey, I want